Can a nation heal after an unimaginable tragedy like the Rwandan genocide that took place in 1994? The scale and speed of this devastating event are staggering. In a span of 100 days, an estimated 800,000 people lost their lives. The immediate aftermath was equally shocking: mass displacement, loss of lives, and a collapsed infrastructure. The very fabric of the Rwandan society was torn apart. In the face of such devastation, where would one even begin to rebuild? Enter the United Nations, with the daunting task of reconstructing a nation from the ground up. The UN Commission was tasked with rebuilding Rwanda, a mission that began with establishing a sense of security and stability. In the aftermath of such devastation, emergency relief was crucial, but it was just the tip of the iceberg. The Commission also prioritized reconciliation and justice, acknowledging the deep wounds that needed to heal. But these initial steps were just the beginning of a long journey. In the process of rebuilding, the UN Commission faced numerous barriers. Deep-seated ethnic tensions, instilled over generations, were a daunting hurdle. Lack of resources compounded the issue, as did the pressing need for economic recovery. The Commission had to delve deep into the historical context of the genocide, understanding the forces that had fostered such tragedy. This understanding was crucial to addressing these barriers. History, after all, often holds the key to the present. Despite these challenges, the UN Commission remained committed to their mission. So what can we learn from the UN Commission's efforts in rebuilding Rwanda? The importance of historical context cannot be overstated, as it shapes the challenges and opportunities for reconstruction. Addressing immediate needs is critical, yet fostering reconciliation is equally essential. Furthermore, we've seen that rebuilding a nation torn by historical discrimination and outside interference is no small feat. It requires a comprehensive plan, resilience, and time. The road to healing and reconstruction is long and complex, but with resilience and a comprehensive plan, it is possible to rebuild even after the most devastating tragedies.